Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So today's soap came from a rather unusual inspiration. What gave me the idea? Many of you probably remember the show from the 1990s called The Nanny. Whether you like it or not, I like it. I still like to watch the reruns, and I was watching one not too long ago, and Maxwell Sheffield's nanny, the one who raised him, was on the show, and she was played by the very talented Cloris Leachman, and she had a blouse that I thought looked kind of neat. So the blouse, like going from left to right, the left and the right side had a really dark pink, and then there was a thin layer of gold left to right, and the very center was a dark navy blue. And the thin layer of gold was kind of wisped in. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that because I think I would be kind of going in blind trying to hit just those right layers. So I'm going to pour straight layers. So the darkest pink that I have is Pink Vibrance from Nurture Soap, which is a fairly dark pink, but I think I'll probably use that and put just a little bit of activated charcoal in it to darken it down. So that will be the two outer layers, the bottom and the top. The thin gold layers will be Nurture Soap's Sahara Gold, and the inner navy color will be Brambleberry's Ultramarine Blue. I think I'm going to leave that just blue. I don't think I'm going to darken it into navy. I'm going to leave it just like it is. And these will hopefully be all flat, straight lines. And then I'm going to fragrance this with Nurture Soap's Star Showers. So give me a minute to get set up and I'll be back and we'll get started. Okay, I am ready to give this a shot. So once again, the two outer layers, the bottom and the top, will be a dark pink, and I'm using Pink Vibrance. And I'm going to see what a heaping teaspoon looks like, but probably, almost certainly going to put a little bit of charcoal in it. And I do not have my whisk right now, and I'm going to be missing it. Yes, I definitely want some charcoal in that. So I'm probably going to put about a half a teaspoon, see what it looks like. Maybe less than a half. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I forgot my whisk, and I am definitely missing it already. Because the spatula does not stir it in like the whisk does. But anyway, it's good enough. That's the dark color I want. I will stick blend that, so let me get some fragrance in it. Give it a stir, and then I will stick blend it and get it into the mold and wait for it to set up. And I'll be back for the gold, and since this is going to be a slow building, a slow going soap, I am just going to bring us back when we're time for the pour. You've watched me mix colors before, so I'll bring us back when it's time for the next. All right, here's our first gold layer, ready to pour. And this is taking its own sweet time setting up because I used the heat transfer method and I did not stick blend it at all. I just stirred it. So the only stick blending it's get is just right before I pour it, so that way my batter should hopefully stay really nice and thin while I'm waiting for all these layers to set up. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Nice and smooth and flat. So I'll be back for the next one. And here goes our blue. Once again, beautifully smooth. So I'll be back for the gold. All right, here goes our last gold layer. Look at that gorgeous ultramarine blue. I just love that color. And there we go, beautiful smooth layer, and I'll be back for the final dark pink. And here is our final pink. Nice and runny so I can have a nice smooth top. And it will kind of wrinkle and crinkle a little bit when it's going through the saponification, but overall it's going to be mainly smooth. And that is just exactly how I planned. Now we'll see tomorrow what the cut looks like, but I'm going to squirt that with rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash and get it in the oven for the heat, the oven process method. And I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Bye everybody. Okay, it's time to cut our soap. I think the pour went beautifully. Looks like I got the colors I wanted. I think the straight lines I wanted. So let's look at the inside. The outside looks good. Sure did, look at that. Perfect. I noticed when I was pouring the top I had a little bit of activated charcoal on the spoon, and it kind of gave some nice striations in the top. Kind of like a stone. Really nice. And I imagine every bar is going to look the same, so I'll just cut a couple from each log and then put some pictures up, because I'm pretty sure each bar is going to look exactly the same with straight lines. But that is exactly what I was going for. And if you like a fragrance that behaves well and has a really, really excellent scent retention, Star Showers is one of them. It is one of the strongest it's one of the best at retaining its scent, is what I'm trying to say, and keeps a really strong scent. So it's highly recommended for good scent retention and keeping a strong scent in your cured soap all the way to the end of the usage. Yeah, these are going to look the same. So let me just get one more and then I'll snapshot some pictures. But this one went just perfectly. Nice, smooth, straight lines. I'm really happy with it. So, as always, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe.
Take good care of yourselves and be blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.